the fascinating phenomenon of art, drawing, sketching, painting, illustrating a three-dimensional and a two-dimensional surface. How do we depict that? What is light? What is soft? What is bright? What is shadow? What is darkness? The angle of the sun, the angle of the light, and its perpendicular reflection or diagonal, now vertical or horizontal reflection on a particular image. That creates the optical illusion of a three-dimensional surface. Hey boy, in the Apple Store, yo. Art class. How to draw, how to paint, how to have a deeper understanding of
I'll be showing us a couple of things today in our session with the iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, the second generation, and the software that we will be using is called Procreate. Now, if you haven't heard of
Procreate, Photoshop, Adobe, Premiere, there's a lot of applications. I'm actually going to buy a pencil. Like a sketching pencil and start sketching on paper. So